Many modern entrepreneurs freeze under the immense pressure of believing every single business decision must be a flawless success. Terrified that one wrong move will sink the entire operation, they retreat to safe assumptions. They stick to the playbook they know and avoid testing anything unfamiliar. But if you look at the fastest growing e-commerce operators, you won't find them making massive visionary bets. They actually avoid large-scale gambles altogether. Instead of trying to guess the future with a single sweeping choice, they build a system around continuous, low-risk micro-experiments. How does abandoning the pursuit of a perfect choice in favor of tiny, isolated adjustments create sustainable growth? A controlled microtest isolates a specific change to a very small segment of your audience, rather than overhauling your entire website and hoping for the best. Total traffic flows into your standard process, while tiny fractions divert to parallel test pathways. Keeping sample sizes small caps risk. If a test fails, it stops early. When a test succeeds, that surviving pathway expands, absorbing more traffic because customer behavior proved it worked. You no longer have to debate which idea is best in a boardroom. This mechanical process replaces subjective human opinion with objective data. When you rely on data instead of executive hunches, the people working inside the business begin to act differently. Because ideas are evaluated by results rather than a boss's assumptions, the fear of rejection disappears, and employees become comfortable suggesting new improvements. This psychological safety turns a rigid workforce into an adaptable engine, where teams continuously hunt for optimizations across the entire operation. Committing to a testing culture optimizes product metrics while upgrading the organizational structure, protecting the business from remaining dependent on outdated methods. When we zoom out to the macro perspective, we see the true power of this approach. Running hundreds of these micro-tests over a year creates a compounding effect. While you are iterating and improving, your competitors often remain paralyzed. They gather zero new insights because they are too afraid to test anything new. This graph tracks cumulative knowledge over time. Your experimenting business gathers proprietary insights, represented by the exponential curve, that cannot be easily replicated by the competition. This scaling gap reveals a core rule of modern business. The organization that learns the fastest improves the fastest. You can start building this advantage today. Commit to running exactly one measurable business experiment every single week. Keep the investment small, define success before you start, and document every lesson. Over 52 weeks, these tiny, seemingly insignificant tests compound, creating a distinct shift in how your business grows and operates.